Hello, and welcome back to my channel Coinseries. Elon Musk doesn't rest for a moment. Luckily, the problem here won't drive up the price of Shiba Inus. No way. It's a precise forecast for the value of a Shiba Inu. Things are about to go completely bonkers, at least from what we can tell. Moreover, this prediction appears to be accurate because it is what it is. Success is coming to Elon Musk, not to some average Joe. Pulling back. The unpredictable Bitcoin market has made it difficult for Shiba Inu to maintain a consistent trading position. Despite a promising start to the year, the elimination of its fifth zero, Shiba Inu has still failed to achieve the target of 4 zeros. However, Shiba Inu hasn't had it easy, it just suffered a setback that sent its stock tumbling. The digital currency's value went back to zero after losing all of its recent advances. Shiba Inu has lost money for 3 days in a row, which has strained the patience of investors and placed the firm in a precarious position within the indexes. Its ability to overcome the challenges and gain market momentum is a matter of worry. As the cryptocurrency struggles to maintain a lower valuation with fewer zeros, investors are losing out on an opportunity for organic growth due to this downward trend. The initial excitement of removing a zero is outweighed by the regret of going back to a higher numerical value. The declining price of Shiba Inus just adds insult to injury. Picture yourself in a theme park, waiting for a roller coaster to reach its peak. With every inch that passes as you draw nearer to the peak, the anticipation builds. This is analogous to the enthusiasm felt by Shiba Inu owners when their breed's price approaches zero and then begins to climb again. Now here's the catch. Just as you believe the thrilling part is about to start, the roller coaster abruptly alters its path and incorporates an additional loop. The same is true with Shiba Inus. When they return to 5 zeros, the thrill quickly fades into displeasure. Just picture yourself on that roller coaster all the time. It would be a slow descent rather than the thrilling peaks. The market has been trading adversely for several days, and investors in Shiba Inus are experiencing this. It's like being on a never-ending roller coaster and never knowing when the fun will finish. Like watching a plant you've been nurturing wilt a little bit each day as you wait for it to bloom. Dealing with these constant ups and downs can be emotionally draining. While celebrating small victories, like the elimination of a zero, investors in Shiba Inus go through an emotional roller coaster, only to be disappointed when the zero reappears. However, things could turn out better in the long run. Grok AI is a major player in the Bitcoin prediction market, and I'd like to introduce you to them. The intriguing methods for price prediction of Grok AI, created and conceptualized by none other than Elon Musk, have made it famous among investors. It appears that Shiba Inu might be set to make a comeback, according to Grok AI's crystal ball. The AI has calculated that by 2024, the price of a Shiba Inu could go up by 250, 250, 250. Let's put things into perspective now. An investment of $1,000 in a Shiba Inu has the potential to grow into a substantial $2,500,000 for those who are ready to take the risk, provided that the stars align and the prophecy comes true. Potential returns of this magnitude are sure to grab the attention of even the most skeptical investors. Keep in mind, though, that these predictions, like anything else in the cryptocurrency Wild West, are not guaranteed. Despite the attractiveness of potential large gains, one must take into account the unpredictable nature of the market. According to Grok AI's optimistic assessment, you should move carefully and do your homework before deciding to dive headfirst into the Shiba Inu world. It is imperative that you are aware of this. When it comes to cutting-edge technology, Elon Musk is well-versed. This guy has seriously immersed himself in the world of AI for quite some time. He is the mastermind behind OpenAI, whose mission is to prevent artificial intelligence from becoming a science fiction plot device. He has worked for Tesla and SpaceX, so you might know him. These days, Musk's endorsement of a product like Grok AI is far from a casual gesture. This does not resemble a scientific fair experiment. Grok AI continues Elon's tradition of backing cutting-edge tech. It's not merely a testing ground. The genuine item is more accurately depicted. Think about it this way. Elon Musk is known for his excellent work. With SpaceX, he is the kind of person who truly aspires to the stars. While competing against AI, it is safe to assume that he is giving it his all. Grok AI isn't some random idea. Its development and testing have been thorough. If you want to trust an AI tool like Elon Musk's Grok, it's not only about the nerdy stuff. Why? Because this individual has a history of turning their wildest dreams become reality. This isn't an act of pity on his part. He dwells solely on distant futures. As a result, Grok AI's capabilities extend beyond mere prediction. The fact that Elon Musk is putting his stamp on it sends a message that the project has been thoroughly researched and is serious about its goals. Having a tech-savvy, seasoned acquaintance advise investors that this may be true is like having that kind of friend. A human touch can be added to technology by remembering that it is not just a collection of algorithms and codes, but rather the product of someone with a wealth of expertise in the IT business. You should still do your own research. A 250% return seems great, though, since it would mean tripling the original investment. It is considered significant. To put this return in perspective, let's look at a few more traditional investment options, such stocks, real estate, and savings accounts. With a savings account, you might expect a meager return, often less than once a year. 7 to 10% is the typical annual return on investment for stocks. Consequently, a 250 return stands out because it represents a significant increase, especially when compared to the typically smaller returns linked with traditional investments like stocks or savings accounts. However, you should not become overly excited. Therefore, there is still a bad side, even if the optimistic view shows Shiba Inu achieving new heights. According to Grok AI's calculations, if market volatility increases, Shiba Inu could witness a 30% drop and Inu a 30% drop. It seems like the sunny outlook is being obscured by a veil of rain. The story relies on it to ground itself in reality. No amount of artificial intelligence, AI, or brainpower, human or another, can subdue the chaotic, unpredictable nature of the Bitcoin market. I don't care how much we all want the story to be ups and downs. A plot twist may happen and the Shiba Inu could get caught in some harsh weather, leaving investors in a less than ideal situation. You may be wondering, after going through the ups and downs of the Shiba Inu's potential voyage in 2024, what the point is? This is similar to developing a set of rules for a game. Grok AI gives us a glimpse of what Elon Musk has planned for the future. On a more positive note, Shiba Inus can reach weights in the 250s. Though there is a ceiling and the sky won't stretch to infinity, it's like reaching for the stars. In contrast, there is a safety net in place. Even when things become a bit unpredictable, a Shiba Inu shouldn't fall more than 30s. Like our crypto roller coaster, it has guardrails to prevent it from heading in the wrong direction. Therefore, what makes this important? But you get the plan now, right? The range of abilities of Shiba Inus has upper and lower limits. It's not completely free. Controlled anarchy exists within these lines. Investors can use it as a guide for the coming year, preparing for a journey that won't be too high or too low by anticipating potential ups and downs. This is more than just conjecture. In the uncertain world of cryptocurrency, it is crucial to maintain realistic expectations. To top it all off, this is a fundamental issue. These Shiba Inu regulations could change the game if the overall Bitcoin market decides to crash again, as has happened before. With the largest drop capped at 30, investors should rest easy. The fact that fewer people will assume that Shiba Inu are heading to zero acts as a sort of safety net, a continual reminder that the Shiba Inu won't fall too much below the mark even in the most volatile markets. It is possible that this data will put an end to panic buying on its own. The stability of the market during a crash can be greatly affected by such assurances. If, on the other hand, Shiba Inu prices start to climb, it will be useful to know that there is a maximum growth restriction of 250. The situation is analogous to a flag suggesting that you might consider generating a profit at this particular spot. Investors might avoid losing out on potential profits by carefully plotting their next steps and not letting their hands get too heavy. Consequently, these well-defined limits are more than just restrictions on paper, they provide as helpful direction for investors. When the market is down, they provide comfort, and when it's up, they help you make smart decisions. Similar to a Shiba Inu gaming manual, this will help investors navigate the ever-changing cryptocurrency market. Having said that, how do you feel about that? Feel free to drop a comment down below. I eagerly await your feedback. This video is now coming to an end. Feel free to press the like button and drop a comment below if you enjoyed the video. Please also share this video with as many people as you can imagine. We should spread the word about this,